spur in it. Okay? Don't leave your spur in it. Okay, right hand on leg. Good. And you feel that leg come under, kind of give her a little, see? Watch. I'm going to watch my right hand and feel her right in her leg, okay? Up, 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 up. Lift and draw, lift and draw. Now watch my left hand. Get your left leg good. And to my left hand like that. Okay? Now you don't want to pull. I don't want to say I pull you around, because I pull back and I'll get dull. Okay? And you want to have that little feel like you're reeling in a trout. You don't want to break the line. Okay? You don't want to just jerk it and break the line, right? So get your left leg busy and take it to your right hand. There. Okay, now face it. Yeah. Take it. Okay. Now start it. Keep going, keep after it, keep after it, keep after it, keep after it, keep after it. Bang it, take the hair off of it. There you go. Let her go in front. There you go. Now let her come go on. Relax. Now again. Take off. Nope, nope, don't stop. Don't stop. Keep going. That's what's going to make her reach around and grab you by the tibia and bite the crap out of you. Keep going. Keep going. That's okay. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Trot her. Trot it. Keep going. Keep going. Trot it. Trot it. There. See, you're giving up. I saw you give up 50 times there. Before I come down.